How to scan Wi-Fi QR code with laptop or PC. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can scan our QR code with laptop or PC. So without any further delay, let's begin. So first thing is you need to search for scan QR code. You may just type in scanqr.org and hit the search. After that, you'll see this interface. So here you need to scroll down a bit. You may just scroll down a bit and you will be able to see select QR image and scan data. So you just need to tap on the select QR image and drag the file. So here on drag on file, you just need to drag the picture of the QR code here and simply wait for the information data to be loaded on the right side of the screen with the scan data box. So there you will find some information. What you need to do is just simply copy those information, and when you tap on that add network section, just copy the data, just copy the information and paste it there. After that, it will simply connect to your Wi-Fi, and that's how you basically scan QR code using a laptop and connect to a Wi-Fi network. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.